If you were to ask anyone who knows me, they would probably say that I love my Mini Cooper JCW, and they would be right. I do, like a lot. And the only way I would ever sell it is if I were to upgrade to a better Mini or my next dream car. So then what makes this car so special? My name is Ethan and welcome to Car Creation. So let's start with the looks. Sorry, my bad. It's seen some dirty roads. One sec. There, much better. So from the moment you take a look at the car, it has a lasting impression. Shiny thunder gray paint with white stripe, matching roof and mirror cap. This car has never seen winter roads. It has huge red JCW calipers and a decent amount of brake pad, twice as much as a normal car, which helps to stop on a dime. The car can come to a stop in less than half the distance of any other Mini. I installed a Cool Pro splitter and diffuser from Mini that kind of give it an extra aggressive look and aid in the aerodynamics. Pull out your phone and no matter how you take a picture, the car always stars in it. Even at night it looks amazing. The bright LED halo headlights, rear Union Jack taillight give it a presence on the road. When you unlock it with comfort access buttons on the handles, open the door and you see the Mini logo huddle light on the ground. All the lights turn on, from the door handles, the footwells, the large 8.8-inch touchscreen with CarPlay, the excitement halo around the screen, and the digital dash all light into life. It's like stepping inside a spaceship. And this only continues to make you feel that way when you look at all the fighter-style jet switches. Once you step inside, the fun only is just starting. You sit down in the comfortable Alcantara bucket seat, they grip you and you're ready to begin motoring. Ready to make your way along twisty roads as they hold you in place. Reach down, double click the Bluetooth button that opens the valves on the Pro JCW exhaust. Hit the switch over to sport mode, put your foot in the clutch and brake and turn on the car. The car rumbles to life, an aggressive flurry of pops and crackles. Once you find a twisty road, you'll begin to realize that this is what you've been missing all these years. Sounds amazing! In sport mode, the brakes and gas pedals become more responsive, the adaptive dampers harden up and encourage you around the corners faster and faster. The 220 horsepower 2-liter engine has a ton of low-down torque to pull you around the corners and will even chirp the tires if you're not careful. Accelerate up to 4,500 RPMs, let off, and you'll hear a flurry of pops and bangs, which will only make you smile more and more. Never has a car put a smile on my face quite like this. And if you're done with the drive through the twisties, double tap the exhaust button, switch it into mid or green mode, and you're on track for a quiet commute getting around 34 miles per gallon. And while the boot isn't huge, it can be made to fit a ton of luggage if the car's seats are folded down. All in all, it's a spectacular car and I would never want to see it go.